Ketones. As usual, we're gonna start with the functional group, which looks like that for aldehyde. So it's CnH2n and an O. This is the general formula, not functional group. General formula of ketones. And the name here, and with one, the word one, and the functional group. Sorry, my handwriting is running away. So functional group, the name of this of the functional group of ketones is carbonyl or carbonyl, and the structural formula of the functional group will look like this. It's C and C, the double bond O, and another C. Well, this is mostly sort of related to aldehyde. So with aldehyde, the structural formula was like double bond O, then H. With aldehyde, the structural formula is always at the end, but this one is always in the middle. They sort of look alike, but they're not the same thing, and it's easy to differentiate them. Oh, it's carbonyl group here. Yeah. And our first five. So the first one here is not gonna be meth. It's not gonna be anything with meth, because meth represents one carbon atom, and with this one we can't have one carbon atom, and we can't have two carbon atoms. So we're gonna start with prop. So it's gonna be propane 2, then 1, which is the same as propanol. Yeah. So we just choose between the two. This 2, you'll see the meaning of it. It's 1, 2, 3. Well, the 2 tells us that the functional group was found on the carbon atom number 2 here. So this is where we found the functional group, the carbonyl. So that's why propane 2,1 there. And the molecular formula is C3H6 and O there. Okay, number 2, butane, then 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, this is how butane 2,1 looks like. So it's C4, H8, and an O. Number 3, gonna do with pentane 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So one number 2, find the functional group. H, 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 H. H is there. Then this is C, 5, H, 10, and an O. 4. It's Xn 2, 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. Double bond over here. There. This is hexane 2 or 2,1. A ketone. It's C6H12 and an O. 5. Okay, are you guys relating these things, the molecular formulas, with the general formula? If you see clearly, the number of carbon atoms multiplies with H atoms. So it's 5 carbon atoms, then 2 times 5 gives us 10, and that gives us the number of hydrogen atoms we have for that compound. So yeah, relate the general formula with the molecular formula. Okay, moving to the fifth one. It's gonna be Hep 10 2 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Double bond O. There. And it's gonna be C7 H14 and an O. There. And that's all about the ketones for now, and thank you for watching.